I use my third eye just to see straight.
Oh. Hey. Yo, that ball is too heavy.
First line boy. First line boy. First line boy. First line boy. This the shit I'm talking about. This that rap shit I'm talking about. Niggas think we can't rap, but then fuck with that. Let's go.
Hit him with that wall. Hit him with that wall. You know what I'm saying? When people don't believe in you, dog.
And then when they see those shit, they be like, whoa. You know what I'm saying? Like, whoa. So when I go hit him with that, you say, whoa. Hit him with that. Hit him with that. Hit him with that. Hit him with that. Hey, hit him with that. 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 Hit him with that.
Day one, Zowder Z and Zowder and Truth Thing documentary. Day one, it's the shoots, it's going on. We're live, this friends, they record that. Shout out.
They say that in arts or a piece of artwork is never usually finished. Yeah. The artist just stop working on it.
Like Zowder, how was this whole movement and change within the city doing for you, bro? Like how you feeling about it and going through emotion? Just take us through some of the things you're going through.
Well, I feel like what's going on right now, the change that's going on. First of all, I feel like me, myself, playing live to everybody, we have an impact on all of them. So I can't really tell y'all how it is because we are the reason why this thing is happening. So it only goes how we want it to go. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's that for now.
Dirty in my bub, 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 dirty in my bub. Say what? Dirty in my bub. Say what? Dirty in my bub. Say what? Dirty in my bub. Dirty in my bub. Say what? Dirty in my bub. Say what? Dirty in my. Say what? Dirty in my. Yeah, dirty in my bub. Froze like polar bear. Yeah, I still be up in that park, high like chandelier. Say what? Moving slow.
Like I'm sure there was a lot of bad press from the woman's side of things. You know, like as I was telling you, the first time I heard it, the ladies' reaction, man, was like, are these guys really saying what they really saying?
Pussy, whack. Pussy, whack. Pussy, whack. Still old bitch, but a pussy, whack. Pussy, whack.
We ain't came here to be nice at all. We ain't nice.
We don't promote woman violence. Pussy whack was made for anything whack. You feel me? And with me, I felt like Truth was like saying, yo, I'm coming out here, I'm ripping the city, y'all gotta listen to me, give me an ear. And I feel like now that I have
your music.
Yeah, and now that I feel like I have that, then I can become the best version of myself, because Thr33xOw is a better version of what Truth Gang, you feel me? Yeah, like a lot of shit has happened in my life.
So you even changed your name to Thr33xOw.
Yeah, and Thr33xOw is still Gang when you look at it, because now I feel like PNB is one of like the hottest cities coming up. With like I've heard a whole lot of like local. We not the only niggas that I could say like are nice. You feel me? So Thr33xOw is like a three. Like my real name is like MXO. You feel me? And then like I feel like the M, the first one, the first son, me. I had to stand up, which like an M, when you make it stand up, it becomes a 3. So now I'm Thr33xOw because I'm from the old 33. X is an unknown term in maths. So it's a 0 to me. It's like 300. If we read it backwards, it's 033. And that's me, I'm PNB. I'm the new version. I'm the standing up.
Look at this boy. Look at this.
I'm standing up.
Shit. I got a bad bitch and I got some bad shit. My bitch got a fat ass, everybody know that.
And uthanda kakhulu 107.6 FM. Ngihlala nobhuti la. Brothers. Akabi nayo intshebe manje kodwa phela.
Look, hey. With trappers tripping and swagging for pants at your fucking sagging. I put your ass in a wagon with the fire breathing dragons getting hot. brain melting, no snapback, I'm on cat like the Wi-Fi feeling connected, my homie. I'm still rejected, I'm the illest, so she infected when I'm always irritated, agitated to get frustrated. How to medicate it with the homies and I'm hella faded shit, yeah. Hey.
Look, these niggas lose their head, they lose their brains, nigga Samson.
Huh? Hey.
These niggas lose their hand, lose their brains, these niggas Samson.
Samson, what?
I'm asking, man. Look, these niggas chop their hand, lose their brains, nigga Samson. My nigga Samson, we shake buildings, leave no remains. My cup dirty, but I'm as clean as a bleach ad or a Mr. Mean ad. I know these niggas can't touch me like a bitch pad. Boy, I got the top of dick to turn the bitch bad. Girl, I'm known to leave the pussy color peach black. And for the snakes in the grass doing zigzags, kill them all quick fast. Small minds won't run up with the big bag. That's a big fact.
This the drippiest nigga in the hood right here.
Drip!
I swear to God.
Hooray! Drip!
Like so does how much of a big part does the drip, the clothing play in you actually feeling confident in what you do, or you just naturally confident without the drip? For sure.
Yeah.
So the drip doesn't add. I am the drip. So the drip doesn't add. I am the drip. Like performing with this jacket, the good that we end, so. Look, I can perform without this jacket. This jacket cannot perform without me. The jacket needs me. I'm the drip.
In a way.
Michael Jackson's shoes. You think of any jacket? You really think Michael Jackson could moonwalk without those shiny Gucci's?
My jacket.
And his jacket, you know, that's where I'm getting it from. Like, the way you approach people, the way you speak, the way you walk is different. You know, so that's what I'm saying.
It's like upgrade, bro. Getting it just like that, bro.
It feels wrong when I'm not with this. If I try to be somebody else, I can tell I'm not doing it, you feel me? So I owe it to myself. The dreams chose me. This life chose me.
Word up.
I didn't choose it.
Word up.
Yeah.
Word up. Today's day 2. Yesterday we got a lot of footage around the UKZN area, did a lot of photography, photo shoots, had an interview, but today is where we actually get to meet his friends, meet their local people, the hood, see where they're from, and actually be part of the studio session. So yeah, with that being said, let's go check them out, see what they're busy with in the stew. Let's go!
Done. Hey, definitely dog. I'm very blaming it.
Why no so fine manga tobile wena?
Kwenzakalani?
Ozocoba la ekhaya, ozekhaya uzocoba la. Shesha, sikulindile nethathu. Sebeke ithini?
I'm tired now. I'm tired of a trap beat now. I'm getting angry. I'm getting angry every time I get a trap beat now. I need something. I need those natural, you know, those natural instruments, bro. I need, you know, like that tribal shit, tribal house music. I want that type of shit now. I don't rap on that type of shit. Show people how far I've gone mentally and shit like that, because I feel like,
in terms of your creativity.
yeah, in terms of the creativity, but.
That's why I was like, yo, nigga, you gotta pull up the Dubai shit, bro. Plus, because ngabona amateki, khona amanye amateki washayile waqoqile. Angeke dog. No, yabona amateki dog. Ngiyawazi, ngeke ngwathenga store, ngeke ngwaqoqa. Kodwa boma ngafica la ngathenga usiki ngaqoqa. Ngaphinde inkosi ngisicathulo. Lapho ngambuza lo mfowethu ukuthi leli teki wakwa nathi na ngalidweba. Ngalicebula ngalidweba. I think that also boils down to actually knowing ukuthi akekho umuntu ozoba nayo.
Yeah.
You know, like I think it's a big anti-climax. Ukuthi hey mfethu kanti utshela udeli kick mfethu ulibone wena. Hey, uthi uyaqhamuka esithawu. Nabo lofu. Sebelishayile obuye mhlawumbe seliyaguga kade alishaya. Lejo, omunye alixoka kabuhlungu alishaya neskin.
That's what we say. Titilene ne-wrist la. Chain ngaphezulu, ne-bounce, i-walk. Hamba nje.
If I were charging only.
You put it in the charger.
Like that.
Fuck you, nigga. You the last nigga left about that type of shit. When let's kuluma, let's say in a conversation. Don't say that, nigga. Lom chi to sing me ne la Pakistan fetias with last joy up in fucking Lunik vuka. Lu tungaza ngakhipha ifone ngamkhanyisa ngeflash.
Ngakhathala manathi ndoda.
Hey bro. Hey, I've been tripping that for the first time in my life. Hey, you know. I'm rocking these pants today. Like, I'm tired. I want to wear a pair of socks and then throw them away and not have to wear them ever. I want to wear underwear and throw them away and never have to wear that shit ever.
Hey, bro, like
that's how wealthy I want to become. You feel me? That's what I meant when I said wear the same clothes. I was
some
dirty money. You drop it anything soon. Yeah, man, let's live for this. You remember that fire shit? Tell us more about that mumble shit I was playing. It's
the dopest mixtape in the city. It's gonna be the dopest mixtape in the city. Produced and mastered by my nigga RedBrick. Yeah, nigga, you fucking that shit.
Behind the scenes, still an episode, spin Dragon Ball. See money moves, ain't free, psycho mental spree. Bulls dying, Taurus, surely you know this venture is Pesaurus, told Red on gorgeous. On 10 digits, calling made it.
Like, how do you think the community can better help young kids like this? Because back then, like, we need to be strict. Like, there's no goofing around. So basically, on a low level, each of them is actually portraying Guzman and DJ through my music.
Yeah.
Type of stuff. So most of it is autistic. It's society they just hang in the street corners doing fuck all, but there's the seed.
Who discovered matches?
Who discovered matches? Let me light a fire matches. Keep that discovered matches.
Who discovered matches?
Who discovered matches? Who discovered matches?
I spit this shit, yeah, these niggas ain't average. Know that I'm a bastard, I'm a young savage. I'm no 21, that's -2, I'm 19. I spit a 16, that's really clean.
Instead of being like, yo, my family's hating on my craft or whatnot, let me just keep doing this shit and show them how nice I am at this shit. Because I feel like we're at a point where, you know, they don't believe, and if they do believe, it's on some shit like, if these niggas become superstars, they're gonna be drinking, they're gonna be, you know.
So they're already thinking about the bad stuff that's gonna happen.
The bad stuff, but they're not thinking about the good shit. You know what I'm saying?
I'm saying it's human nature for them not to believe you until you prove it. You feel me?
Yeah.
Like what's the name of the first guy that made the globe? I can't remember his name. But then that nigga, Edison. He made the globe for. Like, he tried making it 99 times or some shit. And then on the 100th time, it actually did, like, you feel me? So you trying to tell me his friends and his family were supporting him, maybe or no, it's like it's not doing the thing that he wants it to do. For sure, they were telling him, because your homeboy, you gotta quit. You don't know what you're doing.
You have a lot of facts.
Got the shine, nigga. Got the loud woman, nigga. Got the shine woman. I just go matches. I'm a Captain Eye Patches. Yeah, break them into fragments. Yeah. Out your air stack, nigga. Out your shit with a fashion. I'm all about that action.
Pull up with my new old bitch, that's your mother. Tell me what that mean, little nigga, I'm your father.
Oh!
Here goes your brother, you can take another L, you a loser, motherfucker.
Hey! Stay tuned to the TV.
Hey man, I actually want to say some nasty ass shit like that on the track, just to make these niggas know that I don't really be giving a fuck because I'm from the slums.
Oh yeah, nigga, we out here from the slums.
Out here, it's the slums.
It's the slums.
Pull up,
Dirty and green,
pull up,
nigga, you know.
Yeah, pull up,
Almighty
pull up, tabang, pull up on radio. It's kind of pull up with my new old bitch. That's your mother. What that means, little nigga, I'm your fucking father.
As people, we got this whole thing called ego.
Yeah.
So I figured the only reason why I didn't like this nigga was because of my ego, you know what I'm saying? He got ego, I got ego. That shit won't mix. I won't do what he told me to do, and he won't do what I tell him to do. So, you know, when this nigga first hit me, when I first heard this nigga track, I was actually in a taxi, and he was sitting right next to me, and I was like, yo, nigga, I chill with your bro, because I used to crumb. Yeah, and then it's like, listen to this shit. It made me listen to Green Sea. And I was like, shit, I actually fuck with this shit, and I think this nigga's got something. It's really hard, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, after that, this nigga started hitting me up on some shit. Yo, we gotta work. And as a rapper, you know,
Must have felt weird, hey?
It was a whole lot weird working with an ugly ass motherfucker like this.
This nigga hate. I'm the prettiest boy out here, bro.
So, you know.
And fuck what anybody says. Fuck what anybody says, man. I'm making music for me. And me's telling me. And me's telling me, let me do this shit.
It has to speak to you, bro. If it doesn't speak to you, then
it's not yours.
It's not yours, baby. You like
on God.
On
God, boy. On God. Y'all ready?
Sippin' on, sippin' on, sippin' on. Tell me why she sippin' on, you sippin' on. Sippin' on, sippin' on, sippin' on. Tell me why she sippin' on.
This is how niggas eat chips. Who opens chips on the side? Not on the top, not on the bottom, but on the side. Always
the side and the top.
Always breaking the rules, bro. Relax.
Sipping on orders and fucking these models. My mama, she mad that I don't want the models. Sipping on orders and fucking these models. My mama, she mad that I don't want the models. Rocket, I'm going to Mars, yeah. Rocket, I'm going to Rocket, I'm going to Rocket, I'm going to Sipping on orders and fucking these models. My mama, she mad that I don't want the models. Sipping on orders and fucking these models. My mama, she mad that I don't want the models.
Trenches up and down like the elevators. Got my one eye red like the Terminator. Pull up at your block, we gon' spread, we exterminators. We gon' stop and y'all and hit the top like the escalator. March on the bit with a bat, little bitch. On some jiggy shit, she be looking like a wicked witch. On some witty witch, she gon' throw it down a nigga's skit. If it's looking tight.
You bought that shit, show me receipt. Yeah, I'm your bitch, she gon' get that dick. She wanna get cash, she wanna get smashed. Wait, gotta sell on my cash, gotta sell on my cash. Gotta sell on this cash. I'm gon' get the banana, I got that bitch singing like Hannah Montana. I'm taking that bitch and I'm taking the fantasy. I'm with niggas that's rockin' fantasy. I'm the realest thing in the planet. I'm the realest thing in the planet. It was an honors that I had to have. It was an honors I had to have.
Alright, we're gonna say that again. I use my third eye just to see straight. I feel like something ain't right, nigga, please wait. Man turn into bitches, I'm talking about cake. That shit disgusting, don't even grace, nigga, take my plate. Communicate with your akumas like Samurai Jack. Japanese don't fall under white, so Jack Black. Matter of fact, Snow White ain't fake anyways. What about the black? We put the print on South A. They like how you do it, I'm like I do it my way. Niggas tripping over Xbox, but it's wireless shit. I ain't got no fear, I'm killing niggas in the street. I'm right here, right here, fuck that, snitches off the top. I pull up with a nigga with a fucking Glock. Like a fucking pillar, nigga, finna get popped. Hey,
look, these niggas lose their head, they lose their brains, nigga Samson.
Huh? Hey.
These niggas lose their head, lose their brains, these niggas Samson.
Samson what?
These niggas chop their hand, lose their brains, nigga Samson. My nigga Samson, we shake buildings, leave no remains. My cup dirty, but I'm as clean as a beach. Delete that video, bitch.